Hello YouTube, this is Dante from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from TM. And as you notice, a lot of my hauls here lately, TM will have napkins in because we've been doing napkin swaps. And we pick it up. They've been in clearance, and so that's the best time to buy when they are on sale. And these are already open because we were there. Actually, I must have forgot to get them some of these because I didn't open this one. But we all met up at Tuesday morning. We had masks on, of course, and some of our Tuesday mornings are closing, but this one was still open, and some of the girls came on my side of the water to go to a couple of Tuesday mornings, and I couldn't stay long, but I did meet up with them. Sorry, ladies, I forgot to give you this one. I know I brought this one, we were together, but I forgot to open this one. I guess because it's small, but I owe y'all one of these. But this is just a seahorse, and it was on clearance. So we all exchanged napkins. That's why they were open in the parking lot. So this was another one that was a clearance. I thought that this is a military place, and you know, some of them have military spouses or been in the military themselves. I got this one for them so we could all make some of this, and this is a big pack. I'm gonna send some of those to my sister. And this is another one. I just got it because of the dark background, you know, and we could do something with that. So each one of us picked up different ones, and we all shared, which was really nice. Mine, for some reason, had a lot of nautical themes, it seems like. This I thought was pretty, you know, that red, orange red coral caught my eye. So I got that one too. I thought you could do something nice with that. Had to get some floral prints, we always do. So I got this one too, and again, these were 60% off, so. And I got this forest one as well, and that was 60% off. So all of those have been shared with everybody, but somehow I missed that one. That one wasn't open, so I was sending that one. And then I did pick up a couple dyes. I'm on the fence. I may actually take some of this back because I'm trying to not buy as much anymore and to declutter. You know, I just bought a whole bunch of those, but those are being shared out and swapped out, so I just got to make some decisions. But anyway, you know, it was only one each, so, and it was a drive, so the one that we went to, so I would rather take it back to my local store if I decide to change my mind and not keep it. But I think I'm going to keep this one. This one says, it's your day. I like it because you can make some embellishments out of it. So it's a circle, it has the banner and the elements. This one I'd probably take back, Love and Joy. I mean, nothing wrong with it, but I may take it back. But I do like it, the parents cooking in the kitchen with the kids. This was on clearance. I don't really need this, but I think I paid like, I don't know, $2 or $3. Just make some little banners, but that one may go back. I'll probably keep this one though. I like this one. It says Messy Bunny Getting Stuff Done. These are planner stickers. Ain't got time for that. Laundry day, chores, project schedule, menu planning. So just some other little teeny stamps that we can use again. This one is a little thank you one, and I think I have this, but I picked it up because it was the only one. I know I have the congrats, and the other one I think says something else, birthday. I know I have the bigger one that says birthday, but these are also, you can make up, they're pop up. You can put them inside the cards that pop up, but you also can make them as tree pack toppers and stuff. So, but I think I had this one, so if so, we'll definitely go back. It's small, but you see how you can fold that in half, and it could just be attachment to a top of a bag. Says thank you. But I'm almost sure I have this one, so I know that will be going back. I did get the lion. I like the lion better than the bear, but I thought it was cute. Still on the fence about that one, even though it's a cutie. But I love him with the little monocle on his eye. So I thought it was cute. It's a lot of pieces, 14 pieces. It's called Tiger Oh My. This one of my friends picked up, and then she ended up giving it to me. And this is a swirl booklet insert. So I need to look at the pictures of how everything works together. But it gives you like, I think this is a 3 by 5. About 3.5. Oh, actually, it's the ATC size. Yeah, that looks mighty big. But I'm looking at the inner cut where it cuts out at. It's actually a little over almost 3 3/4 by 2 3/4, so a little bit bigger than the ATC, or you can mount the ATC on it. But then it also has this insert right here where you can insert a picture or something on it. So but it's a booklet insert. And that's how to use it. And then this one was the other one. This is the one I found. She had found that one. And this is a tag pocket. This one is different. So I'm just trying to decide which one I want to keep. This one was on clearance, 60% off too. And this one, again, you know, not the most exciting die, but I like it because you can make some embellishments out of it. So in that shape, and the same thing here, you got your stamp to match that and those sentiments. But of course, you can use any of the sentiments that you have yourself. You're not limited to the ones that come with the set. But it is a totus adores, more flowers to you, just be happy. It's all boutique. It's all bouquet. Excuse me, naturally you. So you can put, they fit into that, but you are not limited to that. So I like making those stuff like that. This one's beautiful, but I'm like, do I need it? I don't need it, but it's so beautiful. And this is the ringlet round. So y'all give me strength. Pray for my strength, because I gotta take some stuff back. Because I'm really working on my savings again, and I'm just like, So I gotta make some decisions. But anyway, I picked both of this is up clearance too, and this was a nice one because I know one of my girls, we've been talking about making a recipe book. So I thought these would be great stamps to go along with it. And thank goodness it was on sale. But it was Bon Appetit, whatever in French, whatever. Salute, so Italian, whatever, excuse me. But I like this one too. I thought this was cute. It had these little boxes. And this is another Carpe Diem call. Don't forget priority, meeting, urgent. And then it has the word, I love these fonts, to do, remember, weekend. And that was $3.99, so I definitely want to keep that one. So that was kind of the haul right here where my girlfriends and I kind of went out, and I picked up a lot. Got a good price on it because a lot of it was on sale. But anyway, so I got to make some decisions about what I'm going to keep. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care.